The British pound making a significant move higher on what we look at as the biggest one-day change and the widest range since March. So it's obviously been in the second of both for 2019. So it's a significant move we saw today. The market obviously had either a lot of established shorts that raced to get out, or there was some renewed optimism between what the UK and talking with the Irish and talking with the EU. It seems to me there's some more positive mojo coming out. And with only 2 to 3 weeks left before that October 31st line in the sand, any moves, I guess, now are being viewed as significant by the market. We saw equities sort of relief rally. We saw the pound rally strongly up to 124. And at this point now, can they get the follow through? Can they get the substance that they need to make this deal happen? Something we've been saying now going back to, I guess, June of 2016. We keep repeating ourselves. And if you look at what really the key about Brexit here, it keeps ebbing and flowing. The news is good, the news is bad, but the news isn't sound. And when the news isn't done, if we can get a deal done between these two, between the UK and the EU, I think it really establishes a base here for the pound where it's been trading. It's obviously been dipping over the last, several months, along with the euro, with the idea that there's going to be a no-deal Brexit forced through. But at this point, it looks like they may have some talking points that they're on the same page on, and I think any sort of alignment is going to be viewed as positive, but can they get it through by the October 31st deadline? And let's look at one last thing. Does history repeat itself? Back in March, we did see ranges and a move in the pound very similarly when Theresa May's vote failed. However, they did see some silver lining on the EU side, and that is what sort of bolstered a move that we saw similar to today. But that move did not sustain because there was nothing behind it. It was a lot of talk and not a lot of action, and maybe we get some action here, maybe we don't, we'll see, because that October 31st deadline is looming at the end of this month, along with some other significant events, an October FOMC meeting, which will give us clarity on the Fed. Likewise, we get new leadership at the ECB. And if you look over what's happening with China and the US, if they can come to some resolution, maybe it bleeds into the UK and the EU, they can find some resolution. So at this point right now, optimism is on a high. However, that doesn't mean a deal is done, and the pound will wait for each breaking news story before it makes a move.